Welcome to another video, guys. We have here for you a 2020 plate 3 Series BMW, looking rather dull, coming to us for a custom body kit. So we get it straight on the ramp, as you can see. Absolutely no sex appeal whatsoever. We're about to jazz it up with all these goodies. Yes, full to the rim with custom body kit, just been purchased. Underglow lights, side skirts, side repeater here. We're about to fit all these to make this car look unique. This is all the goodies, like Christmas has come early. I had a girl ask me earlier, what do we buy, guys? You know, you guys buy us flowers. What do we buy you lot? Surely not flowers. I said, no, buy a body kit. Car parts. That's what we want. We want car parts. This is the side skirt we're fitting. Carbon gives it that aggressive look. This is a carbon side skirt. And we've just removed the old boot spoiler, left some mad residue which we'll spend ages polishing off. Bit of a ball ache, but it be like that. It'll be worth it once it's done. This is the new boot spoiler that's been unwrapped, ready to go on to totally transform the rear end. Fitted the rear splitter, and now moving on to the other side to fit the front splitter and the side skirt. While we do that, let me quickly tell you the performance on this vehicle. On a standard factory, it's 180 bhp and 290 newton meters of torque. But if you were to stage one it, you get some mad gains, you know, 50%, virtually 50% increase. On a stage one, you can get it up to 270 brake horsepower and 400 newton meters of torque. That's absolute mad gains. So definitely worth stage oneing it straight away. Here we have the new induction kit that's going on, so that's also going to increase it further by 10-15% more. Not only is that going to help the car breathe better, sound better, it will also make the car perform better. This will also make the car look beautiful under the hood. So definitely worth investing in one of these induction kits on your car for performance gains, sounding better as well. And this is the Underglow light I'm just in the process of fitting. So yeah, let's get on with this. That also actually totally transforms the look of the car at night as well, so especially when you're at the show. Yeah, it's controlled on your phone. Got to download an app, you can change the color and let it dance to the music. Yeah, it looks kind of mad at night time. Obviously at day it's not as bright, but it is, believe me, extremely bright at night, and you do really stand out. So if you are looking to stand out from the crowd at a car show, this is a must. This is making a comeback. This is something that was early noughties, where we were literally fitting it on every car, but now not so much, but it is making a comeback. Underglow lights. It's a must mod in the 2024 modded car. Not sure if it's your cup of tea, but it is what it is, each to their own and everything. Look at that. You can actually change the patterns, colors, do all sorts straight from your phone's app. So yeah, do get some of these, come to us, get it fitted. It is absolutely beautiful. It is what we do, what we specialize in. It's hardwired in as well. And here we have the induction kit already fitted. It looks very OEM and good quality as well. I mean, looks very similar to the K&N. well fitted, and here we have the bad boy all done. Looks mental next to my E36. Look at that diffuser. Totally transforms the look of the car. If you agree with me or not, I'm not sure, but it is something that you must do. You don't want to keep your car looking standard. Look at that absolute beauty. That splitter totally transforms the car. And also the carbon grille, very aggressive. The side skirt, the side repeater, it's all these little things totally transforms the car. Look at that, from the extremely aggressive kind of his torque. And if you look at that side skirt, gives it that wide arch feel as well. Totally transforms it. Chameleon tint just to finish it off. It's not that dark either, so it's not as bad as some of them. This one looks alright on the car actually. You can actually see inside as well, so it's not as gay as I made out last time. This is another shot from the back. Look at that side skirt. Looks extremely aggressive. Interior on this is standard, looks absolutely beautiful, so I don't really need to do much to it. Window tints totally transforms the car as well. Lowered by about 50 mil. Those wheels, amazing. Look at that spoiler. Totally transforms the look. Gives it that aggressive, that side skirt as well. Mental. Look at that. Oof. Absolutely amazing. Sure you'll agree? Come to us. If you want your car looking mental, forget about following them. So if you're looking to modify your car, make it look different, stand out from the crowd, you know where you need to come. Check that name out, Top Gear Haze. Been around since the 2000s, and long before that we were modifying cars for Max Power shows. So yeah, we know what we're doing. Been a long road. Since then a lot of people have come on board, making out they're the experts. It is what it is. Everybody needs to eat. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Should it not be coming out from the showroom like this? Absolutely. So yeah, people, do share, like and subscribe. Get involved with the channel. Get involved with our organization. Let us pimp your car. Make you stand out from the crowd. Make your car the talk of the town. Until the next one, do share, like and subscribe.